So over here, if I were to go around onto the start menu and right click, you get an entire set of new menu as you can see right here. So what I'm going to do now is go to something called device manager, and once you open this out, you get to this area right here. So over here you can see all of the hardware devices that you have on your computer, and you can see that there's keyboard right here, there's like software components as you can see right here, some software devices, some sound devices as you can see right here. So everything is here. So what you can also do is you can find out your display adapter right here, and let's say for example you want to upgrade the driver for this particular hardware component. You can right click over here and click on update driver over here as well. You can go around into properties, and over here in driver you can see all of the driver details over here as well, and you can update out the driver. And when you update out the driver, sometimes the hardware might not function properly. So you can click on rollback driver in that case so that it reverts back to the previous driver as well. And you can see all of the details for that particular device right here. So let's say, for example, I have this monitor right here. You can go around and see the driver for this particular monitor over here. And you can see all the details as you can see. And that is how you can work around with the device manager inside of Microsoft Windows 11 to keep track of your hardware and to update out drivers. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.